this session, I would like to introduce you to the mechanical noise in DC motor. Before we further to the main topic, I like to take you to know what the DC motor is. For your information, DC motor is a machine that use the electrical DC energy convert to mechanical energy. To understand this situation, just imagine the fan function. We need a DC electrical power supply such as battery, power bank or generator to operate the fan. Okay, power supply, battery, power bank, generator and so on is classified as electrical energy. Then when the fan blades are rotating, this is known as mechanical energy. Hopefully all of you can clear about the basic of concept of motor function. Okay, now we go to the mechanical part in DC motor, that the main cause for the mechanical noise in DC motor. Before that, I want to let you know that in DC motor there is two types of noise. The first one is electrical noise and the second one is mechanical noise. Okay, clear. Now we go for the every mechanical part in DC motor. The first one is stator, or we can call as a magnetic field. This part is static and it is outer frame of the motor. It's made from ferromagnetic material. And then the second one is rotor, or sometimes known as armature. This is a moving part. This part is the inner part of the motor and same as stator is made from ferromagnetic material. The third one is armature winding. It's wound on the stator pole to produce magnetic field or flux in the air gap. After that, we have commutator. This part are composed of copper bar and this part are insulate from each other. The armature winding is connected to the commutator. The last one is brush. This part are placed against the commutator surface. Brush is used to connect the armature winding to external circuit through commutator. Okay, now let's we learn about the type of mechanical noise. According to the internet browsing, I found 6 types of mechanical noise. There are brush noise, shaft noise, clearance noise, resonance, thrust sounds and wind. For the first one is brush noise, frictional sound caused by brush and commutator. The second one is shaft sound. Shaft sound is a frictional sound caused by the shaft and bearing. And then the third one is clearance sound, specifically grating sound out of tube. And then the fourth one is resonance. Resonance is that occur at the specific speeds and range only. And then we have a thrust sound, tapping noise caused by the thrust move off the motor. And then the last one is winds that occur in a motor, especially which a built-in cooling fan. Okay, usually the noise comes from multiple sources. To identify the root cause and specify the frequency, FTT analyzer is commonly used. I need to refer my notes to present the definition. Okay, never mind. Okay, now I like to let you know how the noise is occur. The noise occur especially for the type 1 and 2 is when the metal iron are shade each other and the sounds occur. So now, how to prevent the mechanical noise? The answer is every mechanical part in motor should have a grease, but all of you should remember that the excess grease will damage the motor. Okay, I think there are some information about the mechanical noise in DC motor. Hopefully, this information will gain a better knowledge to all of you. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.